Alright, good morning everyone. So I am, as you can tell, in my workout gear, ready to go work out. I have this headband thing on. I'm not sure if I'm wearing it right. I'm sad. I'm a girl and I don't know if I'm wearing a headband right. So yeah, I'm gonna go work out. My knee has been feeling so much better since I gave it like a 2-day break. So I'm ready to get going, and yeah. So I'll see you in a few seconds for you and like 30-40 minutes for me. All sweaty. Bye-bye. Okay, so I am back from my workout and I have a towel on because it decided to start pouring. So I'm soaking wet, and I didn't get my 3 miles in because of the weather, because I just didn't want to deal with the pouring down rain. So let's see, what did we do today? I don't even really know. Ugh, stupid ads. 2 miles, 2.35 miles, 294 calories. So, I mean, it started pouring. There was really nothing I could do. I wasn't gonna continue to get more soaked, because I already am all the way just soaked. So I'm gonna just chill and then take a shower, and then I have to go to the post office and bring over the package for the DLV's toy drive, and I can't even speak. I also have to upload the vlog, so I'm gonna go do that. Hopefully you didn't get wet on your workout today. But yeah, I'm gonna go and do that stuff, and I will see you guys later. Bye. Look at that goofy kitty. Is that where you flying? You flying? She looks so funny. She's such a cutie little kitty butt. You flying, Zoe? She's not listening. Now she's looking. Zoe. She's like, oh, she's coming. Come here. There she is. Ow. You bit me.
Did she really?
Yeah. Mom, what did you find?
I found my Christmas village.
She had lost it, misplaced it, and it was out in the back porch. And my dad had put some outdoor Christmas lights on, and she just thought, oh, those are outdoor Christmas lights, and didn't think to look under it. So yeah, we found it. So we're gonna sit here and watch her.
she's,
Get it, Zoey. Get it, Zoe. Now we're getting out the little peoples. Oh my gosh, Mama, look at her. This is like snow for Zoey.
Yep.
Oh my god. This cat can just not get over this newspaper that is just
I know.
all on the floor for her.
Yep.
Is this your Christmas? It's like the kids with the boxes.
Yep.
They don't play with the gift, they play with the boxes. Zoey doesn't play with normal toys, she plays with paper and newspaper.
Yep.
Get it. Oh, where'd the butt go? There she is. Zoey, what year is this from?
Yeah, right.
Oh. That shows you when we put away our Christmas stuff. Sunday, January 5th, 2014. So it's just from this year, the beginning of the year. We leave our Christmas decorations up as long as we can, right, Mom?
Well, of course.
We still need to decorate this tree.
That'll come next.
I think we should do that tonight when Adam's up.
Okay.
Even though he won't help, it'll still be nice to show him what we're putting on.
No, it would be.
So I think we wait to do that. I like to decorate the tree at night for some reason.
I do too. Well, we can get all of the ornaments up and
Oh my gosh.
just too cute.
Zoey, you're just the adorablest. Okay, we're giving Mom her birthday gift early. I hope they're still there and haven't broken. Handmade by your daughter.
Oh my gosh, yes. They will go gorgeously.
Hence why I wanted to give them to you so bad. Please be still standing, tree. Yes.
Oh, how pretty. Now.
Yeah, that's why I said, I'm like, yeah, they can be put in later, but that's it.
I love that. Oh, thank you.
That's it. She's like searching. Where's
No, I
one
thought
more?
maybe you said the card though you were gonna give me later.
Yeah, we'll give you the card later. But yeah, I handmade those.
Those are absolutely gorgeous.
Mwah.
Thank you.
Yeah, Grammy, tell her the mess I made. All over this table, I had mess. And it... Look, it's Charlie Brown's Christmas tree. And we're decorating the tree. Focus. Santa Claus is from around the world. These ornaments, these gold ones, are from my grandfather. These ones.
You got it.
Gotta have our Mustang on our tree. And all of our sports teams. And we can't forget about that. And we have my Barbie ornament that is from '96. The old ornament. almost 20 years old. Okay guys, so it's time to end the vlog and hopefully edit tonight. But it is like 11 because we just got done watching the Peter Pan Live Broadway show. I guess I don't know if it's technically a Broadway show, but it was Peter Pan Live. And we're definitely a big, like, Broadway, like, musical kind of family. My dad actually worked at a theater that we have around here that's a local theater. He used to be the set designer at a local theater, so that definitely got me into theater because I would go and see some of the shows that he put on at school, like field trips and stuff. And so my dad is the one to thank for my love of musicals and all that jazz. As you see over there, I've seen Sweeney Todd and Les Mis. Two really great shows. I've seen Evita, Cats, a few other, I can't remember. But yeah, so that's what we did tonight. So I'm going to try and go out there and edit. And hopefully you saw some sped up clips of Mom and I decorating the her Christmas village that she does every year. So hopefully I can figure that out. And if not, I'll just clip little pieces in because it was a lot. But yeah, I hope y'all had a great morning, evening, noon, night, whenever you're watching this. Hopefully y'all have a beautiful smile on your faces. And I want to truly thank you all for watching. It means the world to me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new, please subscribe. I make daily vlogs of my crazy life with my crazy kitty and my crazy family. Yeah, again, thank you all so much for watching. Hopefully you have a great evening. And I will see you all lovelies tomorrow. Good night. Bye.